What's good, YouTube? Video. I see from the take you see what we do today. Yeah, man, there with none other than Mr. Uncle D-Man himself, the Spartan boss. I don't know talking about family Sparta. Yeah, man, Roger Wildfather. You see me? We're there with another track from family Sparta. This one is entitled Tek Weh Dem Strap. He dropped this yesterday. You feel me? And everybody been requested. Shout out to Blu-ray. Blu-ray is one of our person that actually requested. Yeah, he's one of our mafia family. You see me? Yeah. No, so we're gonna check it out and see where family Sparta deal with. I already know family songs are always full of vibe, always energy. You see me? Dope and lyrical. You see me? Yeah, man. No joke. Before I jump in the chat, gang. Yes, I did go ahead and fix the link in the description for Discord. So you can go ahead and check the description. You will see the link to the Discord. The link is fixed. So you can definitely join the Discord and become part of the family. You can talk to me directly. Send me videos, requests, all that good stuff. So yeah, man. We now hold up the vibe much longer. We're going to jump in the chat. This is family Sparta. Tek Weh Dem Strap. Let's get it.
Yeah, man, that's so deep, man. We set everything out of the extension clip. 500 magnum nasty.
This sound like a damn vibe already. Come on.
The 9 milli with 10 dozen cartridge. Me love the badness, it crawly far. Face chop a ground like sandwich. The AK spit Italian language, so I know everybody understand it.
Me love the badness. Face chop a ground like Italian sandwich. Come on.
Me love the badness. The magnum stick to me like magnet. Slam one in your head, skull candy. High bad.
Magnum stick to me like magnet. Slam one in the head, the skull candy.
Chop a gonna look on me. So me Tek Weh Dem strap. Them nobody ma fi Tek Weh Dem bat. When left them black. They know see me you go fly with them bat. So them a feel if it please and never come back. Vanquish. Apollo 12 I'ma do the moon landing. Them a messing on them.
Say Vanquish and then 12 and do the moon landing.
Killer from Star Spring. All right for me live up behind zing. Fly them bat. Tek Weh Dem shot. Say them but them a feel left them black. They know see me you go fly with them bat. Say them a feel if it please and never come back. Fly them bat.
Easy no man, I left them place and never come back. Which boy can run left my place? Huh?
With them strap. Send them bad enough to run left them black. To lose me, you go fly with them back. Send them a feel if it place and never come back. The fuck around boy, we no take chat. The kid boy food pan spot. And the boy can't
I can't food pan spot, you know man. I'm tear man box lunch. Yeah man.
From the box. See you do your own it have a lock spot. Me tree star ever damn garlic. Drop a tribe.
Damn, my tree brawling, my tree star ever garlic. You know what I mean? I feel that in up to your body.
And you don't like Alex. When me aim boy big in me nummies. Buy them but Tek Weh Dem shop. Say them but them a feel if them blood. You know see me you go fly with them birds. Say them a feel if it please and never come back. Fly them but Tek Weh Dem strap.
This is our vibe, man. No joke. Family, I always know to bring the vibes, gang. Come on.
Send them bad enough to run left them black. To lose me, you go fly with them back. Send them a feel if it plays and never come back.
I'm giving a little breakdown, a little breather. Come on, dog.
So me pull up on the yes, baby, you lucky than leader. No anything about see than leader. Say no, yeah, boy, no. Keep on, everybody goes.
Easy, Sparta boss. You see me, the vibes there. Family come back to the streets to bring back the vibes. These guys out here wasn't bringing. Come on. You know what? Sparta about the vibes are in it. Yeah man, family stick to your word, man. You say you're gonna bring back song with more vibes. Try to stay away from too much grime. And that's what he's doing for real.
see me, you go fly with them boys.
Said them a feel if you please and never come back. Fly them back, Tek Weh Dem strap. Said them bad enough to run.
Them black, I want to no man come in. I can't say nobody around for no play.
Left them black. You see me, you go fly with them back. Said them a feel if you please and never come back.
Boy, lift up, man, and pack up, man, and move out, man. You see me? Yeah, man. What you mean, Sparta boss? Come in, come do it. Fly them butt, Tek Weh Dem strap. Say them bad enough you running them black. What you mean, man? Make boy have to lift up, pack up and move out, man. CMD too. I want to you like Amazon. Yeah, man, that was Spartan boss. They one of them Tek Weh Dem strap. Shout out to family Sparta. You see me? I say doing his thing, and he stuck to his word. You know what I'm saying? When he came out of jail, he said, "Yo, he's gonna bring more vibes and energy to the music. He's gonna try and stay away from too much grimy, too much dark stuff." You see me? And he's been keeping his word and doing his thing, man. Yeah, the man doing it. Yeah. This is definitely a vibe. Tek Weh Dem strap. You know what I'm saying? Badman tune, vibes tune, energy tune. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like the one here. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, gang. Yeah, man. I really think Tamale really finding himself again. You see me? And he's getting back into the groove. He's getting back into the vibes in this Tamale. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like that, man. So Tamale, keep up the good work, man. Keep dropping these bangers. You already know we here for it. You know, so Sparta. You know, Sparta gang low, I want it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Shout out to Tamale. Keep doing your thing, gang. We appreciate it, man. And we love the music, man. That's definitely a vibe. I think that's definitely gonna get added to the playlist. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to the Sparta boss. Shout out to Tamale. Big up yourself. You see me? I say. So gang, let me know what y'all think about this one. If you like, you go show the artist some love on sport. Let me know say Jambisco dance. Send you know what I'm saying. I also, gang, and drop your request in the comment section so you can get your shout out and all that. Also, gang, I did go ahead and fix the link in the description to the Discord, so you can go ahead and join the Discord. The link is fixed. So check the description, click the link, join the Discord, become part of the family. You can talk to me directly. You can send me videos to react to, send me requests, messages. Just overall chill and vibe, and just, you know what I'm saying, it's a whole group, a whole lit group over there, man. So you want to become part of the family, man, become part of the gang, become part of the mafia. But we're taking this to 10K, 100K, million and beyond. You already know what time it is. As long as you guys are here with me, supporting me, showing love, man, they can't stop us, that mafia. You see me? As long as we supporting each other, they can't stop us, man. You know what I'm saying? We're going to take this farther than they ever thought we could take it. Farther than we ever thought we were going to take it. You see me? Because we're taking over. You already know what time it is, man. You don't know. It's your boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot selector.